Hello friends, this is my first video for the channel. In this video, we will learn how to open an Google Sheet, how to start the basic functions in Google Sheet. So first we'll go to the google.com. Here it is. When clicked, here you can see three icons. One is for Gmail, second is for images, and third is Google Apps. We can click over here, then we can go to Sheets. We'll click over here, let it open. So first and foremost, this is the first video of my YouTube channel. So we'll try to open a blank Google Sheet and check how it works. So this is a basic Excel sheet. This is completely blank as we have just created it. So here we can rename the sheet from whatever we want. For example, first video, or you can, if you are naming it as some file or something, laptop file, if you want you can write it down just like that. It has been saved. So basically each and every Google Sheet is saved in your Google Drive, so there is no loss of data or you have to save it each and every time. Whatever data you write, it is automatically saved at the same moment, so you don't have to worry about the data lost or everything. So here we can see we can add sheets. Sheets are basically for a Google Sheet. The sheets are subsheets. For example, if you want to add multiple sheets, or you have to say multiple data or multiple things at one place or in a single sheet, you can do it. For example, here you can write file 1, here you can write file 2. So basically these are two different subsheets, you can say. Here you can write data however you want. This will be a different sheet and this will be a different sheet. File 1, file 2 are two different sheets as of now. This 3-line icon will ask you to select multiple sheets. This will help you if there are 10 to 12 subsheets or 15 subsheets. Here you will be getting a list of subsheets with their name, whatever you are writing, so that you can select from there. Now we'll see what are the basic functions of a Google Sheet. For example, if you click on file, here there are multiple options. If you want to share this file with multiple users, with your friends or colleagues, you can share it from here. If you want to open a new spreadsheet or new Google Sheet, you can open it from here. Second, if you want to open an existing sheet, you can open it from here. If you want to import a sheet, you have to drag some sheet and bring it over here, you can bring it up. Make a copy. This is an interesting feature. If this sheet is fully loaded up with data and you want to make a exact replica or a duplicate, you can use this feature and you can create it up. This will create an exact replica of your sheet. No data will be lost, nothing. Exact main sheet. If you want to email the sheet to someone, you can do it from here. If you want to download this sheet, if you want to download it in Excel, you can do it. If you want to download it in a ODS file, you can do it over here. If you want to download this Excel sheet in a PDF, so that sharing would be easier, and in sharing no data will be mismatched or no one can edit it, so you can do it from here. If you want to download it as an HTML or zip file, you can do it from here. If you want to download it as a CSV file, you can do it from here. So these are basically very useful when you are sharing some data with some people, or you want to, like in PDF, no one can edit your data. So that is the basic things. So we'll learn in deep in this some of the features like version history. We'll learn in our next video or in the future videos, because it's a vast feature. And if you want to rename your sheet, you can do it. You can do rename from here itself, or you can directly go over here and rename it. For example, laptop file, and rename it as well. If you want to rename it from here, you can do it. It will take you there itself. Rename, like that. As I said earlier, all the sheets are saved in your Google Drive. If you want to move a sheet from folder to different, you can use this tab, move. As well as you can add a shortcut to your drive. For example, if your file is saved in a drive, in a folder, at the main, you can add a shortcut to it. If you want to delete it, you can delete it over yourself. And there are some spreadsheet settings, and there's a command to print your Excel sheet or your Google sheet from here. Spreadsheet settings are some basics calculation, like what it should be seen, how it should go, and everything. So we'll learn the spreadsheet settings features in future. So all things need to be covered. So this is the first video, is just an introduction of how what all functions are there in a Google Sheet and how you can use it up. Second is an edit tab. Here you can undo, you can redo, cut, copy, paste. All are just on your fingertips, like Control plus Z, Control plus Y, Control X, C, P. Here we have an option of paste special. I'll show you this feature in a future video, because these are important features which need not to be missed. Find and replace, this also I'll show you in a future video, because with this help you can replace the word in the whole Excel sheet. View, free section will be shown in a different video, because it will require some time, 5 to 10 minutes, so we'll cover it up later. Rest all the features will be covered in your different videos. Where this is an insert as in you can insert a row, insert a column, all are listed over here. This is a format. We have main thing in numbers. We'll have to, for numbers there will be a different video, so that it will help you how to check what all things need to be rectified and everything. These are the basics, like if you want to select a word in bold, you can do it. In italic, you can do it. Underline, you can do it, and everything. This is a font size. If you want to increase or decrease the size of the font, you can get align. Align feature is like if you are inserting a word in a row. For example, it's rename. You can align it at left, center, it is center aligned, right, it is right aligned, it's left aligned. This is the basic feature of align. Text rotation and text wrapping will be shown in a different video, you'll get it over there. Rest all the features will be covered up in your different videos, friends, because Google Sheets, with the help of Google Sheet, you can do multiple things, multiple varieties, and this will help in your day-to-day life, in your jobs, to get a good job and everything. So currently I'm winding up this video. We'll check all the features in detail, each and every formulas, everything will be covered. How to prepare a chart in your Excel, Google Sheets, how to use the formulas, addition, subtraction, multiple, deletion, sum, if, sum of, everything. Adding to it, we'll be learning VLOOKUPs, HLOOKUPs, and everything in this Google Sheets. You'll be getting one by one video how to use a Google Sheet and how to apply the formulas and everything. Okay friends, we'll wind it up over here. See you later.